Long ago, in a small drought-stricken village called Ndemu, there lived a wealthy man named Chief Olai. He had a vast farm, many cattle, and 3 sons, but his household was full of conflict. His sons constantly quarreled over inheritance, and his wife had grown cold and bitter from the endless disputes. One evening, as the harmattan wind blew dry dust through the village, a ragged girl appeared at the chief's gate. She had no shoes, no bag, only a worn calabash she carried carefully. Her name was Ayo, and she asked for shelter just for the night. Chief Olai, though tired of strangers, allowed her to sleep in the small goat shed. The next morning, Ayo rose early and sang softly as she cleaned the compound. Her voice was soothing, like the breeze before rain. She cooked, helped the chief's tired wife with her chores, and offered kind words to each of the chief's sons. Days turned to weeks, and peace slowly began to settle like morning dew. The chief's sons, who once fought over everything, started working together. His wife began to smile again. Even the chief found himself laughing more. One day, the village woke to find Ayo standing in the center of the compound. She poured water from her calabash onto the dry earth. As the first drop touched the ground, clouds. Ayo standing tall and centered in the middle of the compound, a calm, mysterious expression on her face, calabash in hand. Ayo tilting her calabash as glowing drops of water fall in slow motion toward the dusty earth, anticipation in the air. A close-up of a single drop touching cracked earth and causing a tiny bloom of green to rise. A wide shot of the sky rapidly filling with thick, dark clouds, wind picking up, people staring in awe. The first rain in years pouring over the village, children dancing, women crying with joy, the land soaking it up. Ayo standing peacefully in the rain, soaked but smiling as the water flows around her, calabash glowing faintly beside her. The chief, his wife, and sons standing together as a family, watching Ayo with gratitude and awe as rain falls around them. Ayo walking away barefoot on the wet earth, her calabash swinging gently, leaving behind a blooming green trail. This is story of gold mine tales, where wisdom meets wonder